In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send an email from Close CRM. Whether you're new to the platform or just need a quick refresher, I'll guide you through this simple process step by step. Let's get started. First, you'll want to make sure you're logged into your Close CRM account. Once you're on your home page, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. The home page is your central hub for managing tasks, tracking leads, and of course, sending emails. Now, direct your attention to the left-hand side of your screen. This is your navigation bar, which helps you move through different sections of Close CRM. Here, you'll want to click on Leads. This will take you to a list of all your current leads and contacts organized for easy access. This Leads section is critical because it stores all the information you need about your contacts and is where you'll initiate sending your emails. Once you've clicked on Leads, scan through your list and find the specific account or contact you wish to email. You can use the search bar at the top if you have many leads and want to quickly locate a particular one. Click on the desired account to open up their profile page. On this profile page, you'll find all the details and past interactions you've had with this particular contact. This is extremely useful for personalizing your communication and ensuring you're up to date with your interactions. Now, look towards the top right corner of the screen. You'll see an option labeled Email. Click on this and it will open up a new email composition window. This is where you can draft your message. Take advantage of Close CRM's email features, such as templates and tracking, to streamline your communication and enhance productivity. Personalize your email with the information you've gathered from the lead's profile to make your message more engaging and relevant. Once you're satisfied with your email, it's time to hit send. Before you do, double-check your message for accuracy and professionalism. Remember, a well-crafted email can significantly impact your relationship with your contact. And there you have it. You've successfully sent an email from Close CRM. This powerful tool not only helps you manage your communication efficiently, but also keeps your interactions organized and accessible. With practice, you'll find that sending emails through Close CRM becomes second nature, allowing you to focus more on building strong relationships with your contacts. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Happy emailing!